Hey guys, I will be doing a restoration on a Yamaha Natural sound stereo receiver model CR-420. This guy isn't in too bad a shape, to be honest with you. This is my first one, so you know, it's a good place to start. I wanted to build kind of a vintage receiver turntable setup for my vinyl. So this is where I'm starting with this receiver. I may upgrade, may get rid of it. We'll see what happens. But anyway, just a quick review. The casing's pretty good. I know it's a little hard to see. There's a couple little scratches here and here, like something was sitting on top of it. It was in a garage forever, which will account for the knobs and the faceplate being kind of grody. There's whatever, cigarette grossness, bong resin, you know, greasy finger crap, whatever on it. But all in all, it's not too bad. I bought it a couple weeks ago from a guy off of Kijiji. $30 for this, and he also threw in the Yamaha Natural Sound stereo cassette deck TC 511S model, and a Techniques turntable. SL BD27 model, which I don't need, so hopefully I'll trade for some cool vinyl. We'll see. I printed up the manual off the internet, widely available, 30 pages, whatever. It'll help with the electronics. One of the big things on these guys was the lights. There were lights on the front, and people usually complained that the lights were of poor quality to begin with. There was a light here on the channel selector for the tuner, and then a light over here for the FM AM signal, and they're usually pretty dim, so I think I'm going to put LEDs in the spot. I may change the colors, I'm not sure yet. Part of me wants to go original, part of me wants to make it a little flashy, and unfortunately there's not like crazy room to make it flashy other than those two lights, so we'll see what happens. I've tested it out just using two Kenwood like bookshelf style speakers, and it works well. I've got some static on the volume occasionally. Sometimes the left speaker works, the right speaker won't. I have to crank it before it'll work. The balance, I get static. Loudness here and there. The bass seems to give me a lot of static when I move it around. It's just dirty contacts, potentiometers. I've got contact cleaner. I'm going to clean those up. You use some compressed air to clean out the electronics. So we'll test it out real quick here. Okay. Obviously, you can see these lights on the side work. The FM stereo, AM, and the other ones don't. Throw some volume on there. Now, obviously, it doesn't want to give me much static right now. Not much static, but if you turn it up, you can hear it on the balance end of things where they're static. Let's try the bass, treble, and loudness. So all in all, it's not terrible. Like I said, a little dirt in the contactors. It's not that bad. It shouldn't be an intense restoration or anything like that. So I'm going to post videos of progress. It's not going to be any rapid thing. This is just kind of a project in free time. If you got any questions, throw them in the comment section. Any tips if you've done this before, same thing. Like I said, this is my first time. I'd love some feedback or tips or whatever. So thanks a lot, and hopefully the next video won't take an insane amount of time to come up. Thanks a lot.